Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Workspace admin to enforce device management, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google admin console. Sign in with your administrator account credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Devices section from the main menu. In the Devices section, select Mobile Devices. On the Mobile Devices page, click on Settings located at the top. Choose Mobile Management from the available options. In the Mobile Management settings, you'll see options for device management. Select Enforce for both require an approved app and require a screen lock settings. Next, click on Advanced Settings to configure additional options. In the Advanced Settings, enable Require Management on devices. This choice will allow you to manage settings and policies on user devices. Scroll down to find the Device Policies section. Enable the options that best suit your organization's needs. After setting these options, click Save to apply the changes. Now, return to the main Devices menu and select Endpoints. In the Endpoints section, click on Settings to further manage. Here, configure options like Require MFA for shared devices to increase security. Review your policy settings and ensure they reflect your organization's requirements. Once finalized, click Save to update the endpoint settings. You have now successfully configured Google Workspace admin to enforce device management. Encourage users to enroll their devices to comply with these new settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.